Okay, I figured it out. I think metal touched other metal somewhere that wasn't supposed to touch. I have a lot of exposed wires here, which is, I mean, I'm okay because it's just a 9-volt battery. It's not going to kill me, but then it means when exposed wire touch.
Love me like that. I'm stuck here standing in the rain. You said I don't need you like that, but I do, but I do. I'm telling that sun to come back. Your figure fading in the gray. Blue skies don't tease me like that, like you do, like you do. Like the world's about to change when hummingbirds are singing in the rain, dreaming that I'm standing in the light. Do you love me? Can you feel the sunshine? Make it brighter for me. When that sun comes shining on me.
So I ended up forgetting to record earlier today because as soon as I got home from work, the idea just hit me to finally get a battery on this fucking thing. And lo and behold, it was with a bunch of shit that I had lying around. No, oh right, so as it turns out, I need to redo some of these wires, so we can get to see more of that. Can you feel the sunshine? Make it brighter for me. When that sun comes shining on me. I said, can you feel the sunshine? Make it brighter for me. When that sun comes shining on me. Alright, take two. Well, maybe you won't know it's take two, but I'll know it's take two because the GoPro died in the middle of me recording the first time. So, real quick, this is it. I just wanted to show you how to change the battery because I'm going to send you an extra one. I know 9 volts, they suck, but I worked with what I got. I'm going to show you how to change it. So, you got this little tab right here with the rubber band. You just pull it out like that. And then it's literally just a battery on a rubber band. So you would disconnect this thing. Don't yank it out. Trust me, I already did. That's why you see these yellow things, because I already tore that. So yeah, and then you'd switch the battery. You put it underneath the rubber band, and you would plug this back in. And then if both batteries die, or you're like, fuck the battery power, I just want to keep it on 24/7, you have this little cable. And I don't know if you can see, it looks like a mess in here. I don't know if you could see that is actually where you'd be able to, right here. You just plug this. Can I do this like this? You would just plug it in and plug it into any good old USB port or like an adapter or something. So yeah, that's about it. You probably thought I forgot that I was gonna send you a gift. Nope. As a matter of fact, I've just been fucking building this thing for a month. This motherfucker took me a long time. Holy fucking shit, it took me so long. But I fucking did it. I fucking did it. Look at this fucking thing. And I did it for you. This is your thing. So, yeah. I hope you like it.